automotive panel, we're going to have a talk from Amino given by Tiago Carnaval, who's going to talk about the innovations in automotive filters. Good morning. I'm Tiago Oliveira. I'm a laboratory manager at AminoTraduzido, and I'm going to talk about sustainable solutions for automotive filters. So I'm going to talk about the Amino divisions and the actions that Amino has been taking to lower the carbon footprint, sustainable actions, and the applications automotive segments and for filters. Amino has 3 product divisions. We have additives, systems, and case. And in each division, we have our business units. So in additives, we have catalysts, silicones, performance additives, and pigments. Within systems, we have flexible systems, hypersoft, HR, viscoelastic, semi-rigid, among others. In case, we have coatings, adhesives, sealants, elastomers, special prepolymers, and plastisol. This is what Amino has been doing in initiatives to lower its carbon footprint. We've been reducing the company's carbon inventory emissions, so the energy source is 100% renewable. We have electric forklifts, and our car fleet is hybrid. And now we're about to obtain the ISCC certificate. These are some of our pillars in developing new products. So, products from renewable resources. Every time we think of a new product, we consider using renewable resources in development in order to lower the environmental impact, and in some cases even reduce the degradation time of the material after disposal. We've already expanded to lower GWP and circular economy solutions. We have a complete solution for adhesives to give a survival to the chemical products that would be disposed of in landfills. So now you can use them in other applications, such as tires. You don't see any more tires in the street because now there's a way to use them to make cartwheels and foam from mattresses and other residue that you can use and give it a different destination, a different use. These are some products that we have for the automotive industry. Semi-rigid foam for acoustic isolation for the ceiling and the rugs. We have system for the steering wheels and handles, HR for the seats and supports, for solar for the bumper and the spoiler, the rim process. We have materials for filters as well, for air filters, fuel filters, and oil filters. In this point, I'm going to talk about the sustainable actions that we have for filters. So, automotive industry uses 3 types of filters: air, oil, and fuels. These are the amino solutions for this market. So we have expandable PU, adherent PU, and plastisol. Starting off with the expandable PU that's used to manufacture radial and flat filters. With this movement, we're able to replace 15% of the products with a renewable resource. It was very challenging, but we were able to achieve the properties we wished. So 9.5 kilograms of rupture, elongation greater than 280%, Shore hardness 18 to 25, density 220 to 240, and deformation lower than 35. Estimated carbon footprint of 4.64. This is a comparative analysis of the new product coming from a renewable resource, 15%, compared to the fossil fuel system and the market. In the last vapor, in the same panel, we presented an innovation for the market, which was a system for low-density filters, approximately 220 to 240 with the physical properties. So we used that development that's already been consolidated in the market for over 2 years, and we were able to add 15% decrease in the carbon footprint. So this product is much greater than what the market requires. In some cases, some of the properties are greater than fossil sources. Elongation 280 compared to the fossil resource. And not to mention the 15% reduction in carbon footprint. About adherent PU, this product is used to manufacture oil, air, and fuel filters. In this development, we were able to replace 100% of the fossil source polyol with a renewable one, and you have the addition of the metallic base or nylon 6,6. So with the filtrating paper, that base is usually metal or nylon 6,6. Here in the product properties, this is what the market's asking for. High adherence. So the product has higher adherence. In the test, it tore the paper. That's a good property. That means that the materials will adhere to the base and no detachment from the base. And hardness Shore A greater than 90. And for diesel engines, motor engine, and hydraulic fluid, and it's submersed in that, and it can't have any cracks or displacement. And thermal resistance, it's submitted to 180 degrees in temperature, and you can't have any degradation, cracks, or detachment of the base. So this development has an estimated carbon footprint of 1.09. This is a comparative analysis, polyol and adherent PU, and the new developments in the market reference. We can see that all the product properties that the market requires up to what our fossil source material achieves, the market, our product did as well, with the differential of lowering the carbon footprint by 26%. This is plastisol. This product is used for oil filters and fuels, in this case, gasoline and ethanol. The product is also used for the base paper, metallic, and nylon. And the same tests are applied that we've seen in the adherent PU. So you also need to have the rupture of the paper without detaching from the nylon or the base. In this case, it was motor, and in this case, fuel was gasoline and ethanol. And in the thermal resistant test, it can have degradation or detachment of the base. Comparative analysis between a plasticizer 100% from fossil source compared to 100% from renewable sources, and what the market requires. We noticed that all the properties that the market requires in our material with plastisol from fossil source were met, and the carbon footprint of this product is also being studied.
These are some of the pillars for our products, which is focusing on innovation and sustainability. Every new development we add a renewable source polyol, technical support for each business unit, very active quality management and production capacity. This development is guided by three sustainable growth goals. We are signatories of the Global Compact by the UN, so we use these through goals to guide our products. Action against climate change, responsible products, and thank you for your attention. Any question? Thank you.